Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to start Windows Backup on this laptop. To do that, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then scroll down the Home menu, find the Cloud Storage, click Sign in to OneDrive, enter your email address right here, the email address of your Microsoft account, and click Sign in. After that, you have to either check your OneDrive folder, and if you want to, you can change the location of it by clicking Change Location and selecting the new location of your OneDrive folder. Then click Next, and then select the folders that you want to back up. Switch the toggle to the right next to the folders that you want to back up, and click Start Backup. Click Not Now. Then you can get to know some information about your OneDrive storage. Click Next. If you want to get the mobile app, you can click right here. Otherwise, click Later, and then you can close this window. And now to customize the backup, you have to go to Accounts folder, Accounts menu. Here, open the Windows Backup section, and as you can see, the only thing that is not backed up is our passwords. And to back up your passwords, you have to verify your identity by clicking Verify, and then verify your identity using either your email address or phone number by either getting a code either in a mail or SMS. To do that, click right here, and then you're gonna receive a code to you on your email or phone. Enter the code into this field and click Verify. And once you do that, wait a moment, and right now your Windows is fully backed up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.